going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at a K5LA versus a K3LA. So we're going to honk them side by side and compare them and have a horn battle. Your K5 is bells 1, 2, 3A, 4A, and 5. A K3 is bells 1, 2, 4A. So the K5 is a little louder than the K3, but not by a whole lot. I have a lot of people that ask me the differences between these. Your K5 is going to be a little bit more of a musical chord just because there's 5 bells, 5 notes, whereas your K3's just got 3, but they're still both great sounding horns and they're still both very loud. So anyway, both of them are raised letter horns. This horn is brand new. It's a 2021 model. It's a 130K serial number. This horn is like a 2013-ish horn, still raised letter. But anyway, let's get out there and see the difference and honk them.